Casa Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. Welcome to our Casa Crypto Wallet Review. If you're serious about securing your digital assets, Casa is a wallet you need to know about. Casa is designed for high net worth individuals and anyone prioritizing top-tier security for their cryptocurrencies. It's not just a wallet, it's a comprehensive security solution built to give you peace of mind with your digital assets. First, let's talk about what sets Casa apart. Casa offers multi-signature security, meaning you need multiple devices to approve transactions, drastically reducing the risk of hacks or theft. With Casa, you're not relying on a single point of failure, which is a common vulnerability in most other wallets. This makes it ideal for people who hold a significant amount of cryptocurrency and can't afford to take risks. Casa also features robust key management with 2 of 3, 3 of 5, and even 5 of 7 multisig configurations. This flexibility allows you to choose how secure you want your assets to be, balancing convenience and security based on your personal needs. For example, a 3 of 5 setup might involve 3 keys stored in different locations, such as your phone, a hardware wallet, and a key held by Casa, making it incredibly difficult for a malicious actor to compromise your assets. Another key feature is the Casa node, which allows you to run your own Bitcoin full node directly from your home, ensuring you remain fully in control of your transactions and participate directly in the Bitcoin network. This is especially important for privacy-conscious users who want to avoid reliance on third-party services. Casa's security is further enhanced by its Gold, Platinum, and Diamond membership tiers, each offering different levels of support and service. These include emergency key replacement, white glove service, and even inheritance planning, ensuring your assets are secure both in life and beyond. In summary, Casa is built for those who value security and control over their crypto assets. While it may be overkill for casual users, if you're serious about safeguarding your wealth, Casa offers a level of protection that few other wallets can match. If you prioritize security and peace of mind in managing your cryptocurrencies, Casa is definitely worth considering.